everybody, good morning. So today, araw ng linggo, titesting natin yung ating bagong gawa na Joson Tandem Drive 15 yung box. So modified ito, o may binago ko sa design dahil mas mahaba ang port nito. So ang tono po ng box na yan is 30 Hz. So tinesting ko kasi kagabi kung kaya niya ba mag-response ng 30 Hz. Well, kaya niya kasi nga bass driver siya. Bass driver yung speaker natin from Joson Kenwood. Ayan, shoutout. So ngayon testing natin. Binuo ko muna yung isa ngayon. Para ma-visualize yung bass niya.
You know you've got that thing that makes the girls all swing. You know exactly. I know the way that man can be. Should know about me. If you wanna go with your mind,
Isa lang po magana dyan. Ayan o, isa lang yan.
Are you down, did it down, did it down, did it down, down, down? Down, did it down, did it down, did it down, down, down? Are you
Hindi po kasama yung sub sa ilalim ha. Wala po nakakonect dyan. Ayan. Ayan, tanging ito lang po yung gumagana.
So
tayo sa may General Ordonez Avenue.
Live to see it all, but I'll always miss dreaming my dreams. Let it change me, not if I can. I'd rather believe, but I'll always miss dreaming my thanks to you, I've got a reason to
Pero sa Sabado, magsa-soundcheck ka pa.
get out of bed.
Malalaki.
Make a
18.
move or two. Oh, let you understand.